9 Ways to boost your body's natural defenses. If you want to boost your immune health, you may wonder how to help your body fight off illnesses. While bolstering your immunity is easier said than done, several dietary and lifestyle changes may strengthen your body's natural defenses and help you fight harmful pathogens or disease-causing organisms. Here are 9 tips to strengthen your immunity naturally. 1. Get enough sleep. Sleep and immunity are closely tied. Inadequate sleep may increase your risk of getting sick. Most adults should get at least 7 hours of sleep per night. 2. Eat more whole plant foods. Several whole plant foods contain antioxidants, fiber, and vitamin C, all of which may lower your susceptibility to illness. 3. Eat more healthy fats. Healthy fats like olive oil and omega-3s are highly anti-inflammatory. Since chronic inflammation can suppress your immune system, these fats may naturally combat illnesses. 4. Eat more fermented foods or take a probiotic supplement. Gut health and immunity are deeply interconnected. Fermented foods and probiotics may bolster your immune system by helping it identify and target harmful pathogens. 5. Limit added sugars. Added sugars contribute significantly to obesity, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease, all of which can suppress your immune system. Lowering your sugar intake may decrease inflammation and your risk of these conditions. 6. Engage in moderate exercise. Moderate exercise can reduce inflammation and promote the healthy turnover of immune cells. Jogging, biking, walking, swimming, and hiking are great options. 7. Stay hydrated. Given that dehydration can make you more susceptible to illness, be sure you're drinking plenty of water each day. 8. Manage your stress levels. Lowering your stress levels through meditation, yoga, exercise, and other practices can help keep your immune system functioning properly. 9. Supplement wisely. Though some supplements may fight viral infections, none have been proven to be effective against COVID-19. If you decide to supplement, make sure to purchase products that have been tested by a third party. You can make several lifestyle and dietary changes today to strengthen your immune system. These include reducing your sugar intake, staying hydrated, working out regularly, getting adequate sleep, and managing your stress levels. Although none of these suggestions can prevent COVID-19, they may reinforce your body's defenses against harmful pathogens.